Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use FastPay or Doordash, guys. Actually, really easy and simple. So you just go to your profile and you want to click on your earnings tab from this drop down menu. It's going to bring you up to this page. What you're going to do is click on the store icon to add different payment methods. And you're going to see two options, right? The direct deposit through your bank and FastPay. So you just come here and add a card. Usually, if this would show as add card unless you have added your card actually. So right now the cat card has been added. So it's showing up as change card. Otherwise it says add card. So how do you actually use it, right? So in your earnings section of your app, you just click on the bank icon here, top of the screen to view the payout methods. So you want to ensure that your direct deposit is linked to your personal bank account, and then you want to click on fast pay. Okay, click here and then you're going to be requested to enter the details for your debit card. Okay, you need to actually have a debit card to use FastPay. Okay, you cannot do this on a credit card. This is very important information, guys. All right. So before you can use FastPay for the first time, there's going to be a 7-day processing period. Okay, so after that, right after you've signed up and you've waited your 7-day processing period, you just want to click on the deposits and transfer, guys. Okay, click on deposits and transfer button on your earnings tab of your Dasher app. Okay, deposit, and so here, this is the earnings tab. You just want to go to the deposits and it transfers. Then you're going to see the cash out with fast pay button, guys, right here. Use fast pay, and then click on that cash out with fast pay button to transfer your week's earnings directly to your debit card account. Remember, guys, there is a 199 fee to cash out, and you can only do this once a day. Okay, it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're having any trouble, and we help you out. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe